Copying a link to your SurveyMonkey survey allows you to easily share it with respondents via email, social media, or other platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide to copying the survey link. Log into SurveyMonkey. Go to SurveyMonkey's website and log into your account. Select your survey. From the dashboard, find and select the survey you want to share. Access the Collect Responses section. Click on the Collect Responses tab or button, usually located at the top of the survey editor page. This section allows you to manage how you distribute your survey. Choose Web Link Collection. In the collection options, select Web Link or a similar option. This generates a unique URL for your survey. Copy the survey link. Once the link is generated, you will see an option to copy link or similar. Click this button to copy the survey URL to your clipboard. Share the link. You can now paste the copied link into emails, social media posts, or any other communication channels where you want to distribute your survey. Verify link functionality. It's a good practice to test the link by pasting it into a browser to ensure it directs correctly to your survey.